Alrighty, Chef Buck here, and today we're throwing together a super quick, super simple coleslaw recipe. You know, I made some catfish, and you gotta make coleslaw if you're making catfish because that's like a cart and a horse. I don't know what I'm talking about, but you want to get a head of cabbage about the size of a child's skull, a few carrots, introduce them to Mr. Grater, boom, shred it all up. Add those two ingredients together, throw you in some onion, whatever kind of onion you like. I'm using some green onions. You know, I got like 3 green onions, chopped them up, but use whatever you like, but not too much. You don't want it to be overpowering. Then we're gonna throw our dressing together. Very basic, very simple, salt, pepper, celery seeds. Definitely use celery seeds. A little bit of mustard, but don't use yellow mustard. You know, spring for the fancy mustard, something stone ground or Dijon, whatever the hell that means. But you know, a little pricier, no Frenches. This is a French free zone. A little fresh lemon juice and zest, but if you don't have that, just use vinegar. My lemon was dinky doo, didn't have a lot of juice in it, so I added some vinegar in there as well. Sugar, if you like, but that's optional. Stir it up, zoom, 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 and then that's it. You know, there's your nice creamy dressing. Then we're just gonna mix this in with our shredded slaw ingredients, and then that's it. You know, you can adjust the amount of cabbage and carrot or the amount of your dressing, you know, to make it wetter or drier. I kind of like mine in the middle. I want everything nice and coated, but I don't want it soupy. But you can adjust it however you like. But this is a must-have side dish when you're serving catfish. You know, it goes great with fried chicken or baked chicken. Super duper awesome on a barbecue sandwich or a hamburger, you know, anything like that. So go ahead and give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. And bon appetit, and thanks for watching.